Senior meteorologist Rob Marciano joins me live now from Jensen Beach, Florida, with more on this. Rob, Nicole is weakening as it moves over central Florida, but the threat isn't over here. What can we expect?
Well, it's a big storm, Diane, as you know. So a huge wind field, and it's been very expansive from South Florida all the way now to South Carolina. So we've got a lot to deal with still with the storm, and it's still a formidable storm with 60-mile-an-hour winds. Here it is on the radar scope. You can see the center of it really is right over Orlando now, and on the northeast side of the storm, as we typically see with tropical systems, we've got a tornado threat. St. Augustine, Jacksonville, and up through Brunswick, Georgia. Here's what we think is going to happen as far as the track of this thing. It's really filled in and become a more symmetrical tropical storm, and it's actually going to go off over the water for a brief time. That actually may give it some strength tonight into tomorrow morning. Atlanta, you're next. Augusta, Georgia. Charleston's going to be getting rain and wind really for the next 24 hours, and then getting up into the northeast. So everybody going to get a big chunk of this. Beyond that, we're looking at a storm surge that's going to ride up into the Carolinas. We've got peak wind gusts that got to 74 miles per hour in places like Port Canaveral, which also had some of the highest storm surge. And now we're seeing storm surge that's hitting St. Augustine. So storm surge warning up for St. Augustine, for Daytona, for Jacksonville, because they still have that onshore flow. And on top of that, we've got the rainfall, obviously, that's going to impact everybody that's along the path of this storm. So huge impact, Diane, for everybody on the East Coast. And right now, still, Florida getting the biggest stuff. We're obviously on the backside of this. The sun actually trying to peek through, but we're getting backside base surge here, and it's still splashing pretty good and throwing up all sorts of debris here off the Indian River in Jensen Beach. Diane?
All right, Rob Marciano, thank you. Stay safe, Rob.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.